Good day, students. Welcome to this JSS 1 mathematics lesson on the area of rectangles and triangles. Area tells us how much flat space a shape covers. It is used to measure land, to tile floors, to buy fabric, to paint walls. These two shapes, the rectangle and the triangle, are the building blocks for calculating the area of almost every other plane shape, because any polygon can be divided into rectangles and triangles. Let us master these two formally thoroughly. Let us begin. Area of a rectangle. Area equals length times width equals L times W. The rectangle is the foundation, the square meter, square centimeter, cm superscript 2, and other area units are defined as squares, rectangles with equal sides. Square, area equals S superscript 2. Example 1. Rectangle 9 cm times 6 cm, area is equal to 9 times 6 equals 54 square centimeters. Example 2, square of side 11m, area equals 11 superscript 2 equals 121 square meters. Example 3, a rectangular room is 5m by 4m. How many 1 square meter tiles are needed? Area is equal to 5 times 4 equals 20 tiles. Area of a triangle. Area equals 1/2 times base times height. The height, h, is the perpendicular distance from the base to the opposite vertex. It must be measured at a right angle to the base. The height may be inside the triangle, acute triangles, or outside, obtuse triangles. Use the external perpendicular. Example 1, triangle with base 10 cm and height 6 cm, area is equal to 1/2 times 10 times 6 equals 30 square centimeters. Example 2, triangle with base 14m and height 9m, area is equal to 1/2 times 14 times 9 equals 63 square meters. Why 1/2? A triangle is exactly half of a rectangle, or parallelogram, with the same base and height. Draw a rectangle, cut it diagonally, you get two congruent triangles. Each has area equals 1/2 times base times height. Finding unknown dimensions from area. If area of rectangle equals 72 square centimeters and length equals 9 centimeters, find the width. W equals 72/9 equals 8 centimeters. If area of triangle equals 35 square centimeters and base equals 10 centimeters, find the height. H is equal to 2 times 35/10 equals 7 centimeters. Compound shapes are rectangles and triangles combined. Strategy. Divide the compound shape into rectangles and triangles, find each area separately, add or subtract for cutout regions. Example, a shape consists of a rectangle 8 cm times 5 cm with a triangle of base 8 cm and height 3 cm sitting on top. Area of rectangle is equal to 8 times 5 equals 40 square centimeters. Area of triangle is equal to 1/2 times 8 times 3 equals 12 square centimeters. Total area equals 40 plus 12 is equal to 52 cm superscript 2. Example, subtraction. A rectangle 12m times 8m has a triangular notch cut out with base 4m and height 3m. Rectangle area equals 96 square meters. Triangle area is equal to 1/2 times 4 times 3 equals 6 square meters. Remaining area equals 96 minus 6 is equal to 90 square meter. Unit conversion for area. 1m equals 100 centimeters, 1 square meter is equal to 100 times 100 equals 10,000 square centimeters. 1 kilometer equals 1000 m, 1 square kilometer equals 1 million square meters. 1 hectare equals 10,000 square meters, used for land measurement in Nigeria. 1 square kilometer equals 100 hectares. Area from coordinates, bonus. If a rectangle has corners at 0, 0, 5, 0, 5, 3, 0, 3, the dimensions are 5 and 3. Area equals 15 square units. Examination questions. Question 1. A Nigerian farmer has a rectangular plot measuring 120 m by 80 m. A. Find the area in square meter. B. Find the area in hectares. A. Area is equal to 120 times 80 equals 9,600 square meters. B. 9,600 square meters divided by 10,000 is equal to 0.96 hectares. Question 2. A triangle has an area of 84 square centimeters. If its height is 12 centimeters, find the base. Area equals 1/2 times B times H, 84 equals 1/2 times B times 12, 84 equals 6B. B equals 14 centimeters. Question 3. The figure shows a compound shape made of a rectangle, 6m times 4m, and a triangle, base 6m, height 2.5m, attached to one end. Find the total area. Rectangle, 6 times 4 is equal to 24 square meters. Triangle, 1/2 times 6 times 2.5 is equal to 7.5 square meters. Total equals 24 plus 7.5 is equal to 31.5 square meter. Summary. Area of rectangle equals L times west area of square equals S superscript 2. Area of triangle equals 1/2 times base times height. The height is always the perpendicular distance to the base, not the slant side. Compound shapes, add areas, for shapes joined together, or subtract areas, for cutout regions. Finding unknown side, rearrange the area formula. Unit conversions, 1 square meter equals 10,000 square centimeters, 1 hectare equals 10,000 square meters. Always state area units as squared units, a square meter, cm superscript 2. Attempt a quiz on your LMS. Keep studying hard. Visit Litech Academy at academy.litech.com.ng for more lessons. Until next time.